Hello, just wanted to give you a quick demo of a widget I created called iCal, which is created to simplify the event creation process in iCal. What the window is right now that you're looking at is a portion of the normal iCal window, so I'll jump right into it. So all you do is in natural language is type, and you'll see that the event was created for today instantaneously inside of iCal when you hit enter. If you don't specify a end time or a duration or an end date, this will automatically assume you're talking about a 1 hour long event. So you see the 2 p.m. turns into a 2 to 3. That's on there. You can change the calendar that you're creating these on just through the configuration of the widget. So I could say coding 3 p.m. until 5 p.m. and now that's created on an alternate calendar you can see behind here. Specify dates, date names, so jogging June 26th at 9 a.m. for 45 minutes. So that's there too. There's another feature you probably saw when I had this flipped over before. This smart reminders I really like. Basically, it solves the problem of a 15-minute reminder or a configurable reminder before an event you create. Works pretty good for events that you create in the next week or two, but it sort of can be a little bit of a surprise for you if you create things that are months away. So what this does is, based on how far in the future the event is, we'll create multiple reminders for you. And you don't have to use them. You can turn these off. You can turn the whole feature off if you want by just saying only when I type remind at the end use this, but I like to have it on. So I'll show you this now. So let's say I had a dentist appointment 9:21 at 9 a.m. until 11 a.m. So that's created. So I'll show you one that we created today. You'll see that there's an alarm message that's going to fire off 15 minutes before it, and that's the only one. I'm going to go find September, and there's my appointment, and you'll see that there are 3 different reminders that have been created for this one. The 15-minute, 1 day, and 7 days before. So hope you like that feature. That's a nice one to have. I'm going to delete that, and I'll go back to the current month. iCal also supports full day events, so I could say day off Thursday. Hit enter, and now you'll see that it showed up into the all day column. And you can have a multi-day, all-day event too if you want. So I could say fishing Friday until Saturday. If I created that, it would be a multi-day. I could also do fishing Friday for 1 week. I wish. And I'll create that, and you'll see that spans out across multiple days. So there's a lot of different things you can do. Basically, the trick here is always start with what you want to do. So do something and then the dates and then the times. So on you could say on 5/5. And 5/5 happens, it wouldn't be this year, so it assumes it's the next year. If I wanted to force it to this year, you could put it in there. You could say, March 5th, 2010. And yeah, as you type it, it does it for 3 weeks. So that's basically the trick there. Another thing that iCal does, or that iCal does, is handles the creation of to-dos. So let me pull up that window in iCal. It's under the View menu, Show To-Do List. So right now you'll have it's a clean slate there. So really all you need to do is either start or end a piece of text with the word to do, and that's it. So if I say to do, wash car, and hit enter, you'll see up here now I have a to do that's been created to wash a car. I can end it with it. It does the same thing. I've created another one now. For things that have a to do item with a due date, you don't have to put the word to do. You can, but you don't have to. So I can say pay gas bill before 7/2 and create it, and you'll see that it's actually assigned a due date on this with the to do item. You could also assign these little bars here on the right. Those signify importance, priority of the to do items. So that's done in iCal with just putting exclamation marks or bangs at the end of your to do. So I could say back up source code to do, and then priority medium, priority high. Take it away, there's nothing. So medium, high, enter, and you'll see that now this is showing up as a high priority. To do, medium, priority, to do, finish, release by next Friday. So I like the to do stuff a lot better than how you create it currently in iCal. So that's it. So there's iCal and a whole bunch of stuff that we created in just a few short minutes. And hope you like the widget and keep watching for more updates. Thanks.